I'm Haley.
I'm Tiger.
And I'm Cedric.
And together we're Doze bedding. Doze bedding is meant to help people with their sheets falling off the bed in the middle of the night, which is time-consuming and frustrating every morning. Doze bedding should make your mornings run smoother and help you after making your bed after you wash your sheets. And we discovered that other people had faced these issues as well.
In a survey we conducted of the entire Yale community, 77.1% of people said that their sheets come undone, untucked, and come off their body at the middle of the night. This leaves people vulnerable and has personally led me to catch many a cold. 89.6% of people said that they have trouble putting on their fitted sheets. This results in people changing their sheets less often, which can decrease your health significantly. And lastly, 86.1% of people said that they were bothered by the sight of untucked, messy, or unkempt sheets. And this should be a task that's easy to do and not frustrating anybody. Now, would a new design that solves these problems really bring about change? Our survey results say that the resounding answer is yes. It showed that people would in fact change their sheets more often, leading to a healthier lifestyle, and that they would make their bed more in the morning, which provides a smoother start to their day. How would Doze bedding do this? This comes in two parts. First, the fitted sheets and top sheets will be sewn together into one simplified piece around the bottom of the mattress. This would allow the sheets to remain in their place and prevent them from coming untucked during the night, but still leave enough space for people to crawl in and have a unpressured and comfortable sleep. Flipping to the bottom, we see that instead of a weak elastic where the fitted sheets usually have, we have a pull cord mechanism. This allows people to just slip the fitted sheet over the mattress without lifting it up, pull the cord with a simple lock mechanism, and have it locked in for good.
There are a few competitors in this bedding market that we have noticed. Some of them seem to take a model that doesn't allow you to tie your sheets tighter to the bed. Some of them take a sleeping bag type mechanism, but most of them are restrictive or not easy to use. Doze bedding is the only design that helps keep your sheets put, is easy to clean, is comfy and unrestricting, and easy to use.
Doze bedding will be using a business-to-consumer e-commerce business model. Customers will be purchasing their sheets straight from our website, and we will be shipping that directly to their homes.
Over the past semester, we've surveyed 145 individuals on Yale's campus to confirm the issues that we have set out to solve with this design. We also have gained more experience with startup companies. Cedric, one of our team members, worked with Easy Ice this last summer doing marketing and manufacturing for the company. During that time, Easy Ice went from $200,000 to over $1 million in revenue over the last season, just the past 6 months. We also have started making a minimum viable product for ourselves to use using safety pins, pinning our top sheets to our bottom sheets in our own beds, just to make sure the design works well. And from what we can tell, the design works very well, and we're going to be trying to make some other minimum viable products for others to use.
Our goal for the next 6 months is to finish and completely design our minimum viable product. We want to improve from using the safety pins and make something more viable that we can test on potential customers. On our survey, roughly 60 individuals responded that they would be open to try our product, and that would be a good alpha group to get testing done and get more feedback on the actual product. Once this is done, we also are planning to completely design our website and launch the website. But before the website's done, we need to establish a trusted relationship with the manufacturer so that we can have the supply for the products. We are applying for the City Accelerator because we are very enthusiastic about our product, and we are looking for some guidance to complement that. The insight that the mentors will provide us with will also lead us to do more brainstorming for more solutions and possibly find a new breakthrough in our design, so that we can better improve our solution. The funding from City will also allow us to do more accurate and thorough market research. We are planning to use a portion of the funding to do more accurate testing on our target market. The mentor will also help us in finding a manufacturer and equip us to enter the bedding space. On top of all of that, we are looking for help on establishing a stronger brand, and the exercises we'll be doing with City will be perfect for that.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. We hope to be working with you soon.